Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export your Figma prototype to video in just few simple steps. If you want high quality export, stick around till the end. First, open your Figma project. Let's say you have a prototype ready, but you're not sure how to download it as a video. No worries, I have got you covered. To export, you'll need a plugin. Here's how to get it. Click on the main menu in Figma. Go to Plugins, Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Export GIF or MP4 or a similar plugin. Choose a plugin you prefer and click Run. Once the plugin loads, it will prompt you to export your file. Simply select the file you want to export. Drag and drop your prototype in the export window. Choose the desired settings and hit Export. And that is it. Your Figma prototype is now converted into a high quality video. Hope this video helped you out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.